Well, hello everybody. So tonight I was just making some extra background paintings, just testing out colors. And the background on this here, the base coat is just white house paint with some Floetrol and some water a little bit. I have big jugs of everything made up, so it's hard to remember what's in everything. The cup is all pre-mixed colors that I've had a long time again, so you can see pretty much what's in this cup. It's your violets and your oranges and your copper and prism violet, I think. Magenta's in there. Some red even, maybe. Um, those are just your regular mixtures. For my colors, I always mix approximately a third. No, let me say that again. 1 part Floetrol, probably about 3 parts GAC 800, and then 1 part paint, and then a little bit of distilled water to thin it out a little bit sometimes if I need to, or I use airbrush medium because it's better than using water because it's an actual acrylic, so it's better to use it because it doesn't break things up. It continues as a binder and helps keep the molecular structure of all your paints together. So here I am just torching that first cup flipped over there, and I'm going to tilt and add some thinner paints on top again and see what we get. So I'll let you just watch and enjoy the video. That first bit of gray was watered down, that iron oxide one, that Golden's, I won't even try to say it, the name of it. It starts with an M, mica something, iron oxide. I could never say it, so I won't even try. And then just some watered down white was on top of that, and that was the result. Just lots of torching, and this is how it ended up. I hope you enjoyed it, so thanks for watching. I also wanted to mention, if the paint is too runny and thin, you can see in some of the cells the paint was breaking up a bit. So it did move a little bit, and I ended up not I just practiced more with other things on this canvas, not keeping it. But I thought you would still enjoy the video, so I decided to post it anyway. It didn't dry because I never kept it. I just continued on doing other things. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it for fun, and maybe give this a try too, or maybe you already do this. Anyway, all it matters is we're having fun painting, so enjoy and have a great day.